Hey guys and gals, hope you all had a great 4th of July. This is Sweet Scoots and it's raining, so we are going to do a little video here. It's an awesome story, really. I contacted this guy on the symptoms of my bike. That's the crank sensor right there. His name is Mr. Know-It-All. He's on YouTube. Really nice guy too. I said a few of the symptoms that it was cutting out on me while riding off and on, and then starting really hard, and he didn't even let me finish, and he said crank sensor. So I thought, oh, what the heck, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna pull it out and put it in and see what happens. I checked the spark with my spark checkers. It doesn't start. I had spark on one cylinder intermittently. It would spark, and that was it, and then not spark, and the other one would not spark at all. So I thought, this is going to be a joke. This guy can't be right. If you have an older Harley that has the pins that have to go back in it, some have the plug-in underneath the bike where you can just take it apart and put the plugs in there. So the junction ended up being behind the computer system. Alright, so this is what the plug looks like. I marked it red on this side for the red wire here. All you do is pull that orange part out with a pair of, that's your keeper, long needle nose. And down in there are tabs. Put a little torque on the wire while you're pushing on the cap, and just pry those black tabs back, each one of them, like that, and it pops right out. So all we have to do is run our wires through it. I'm going to try to fish using this wire, my new one, through to the other side. I'm going to pull the new one through using this wire. GoPro, stop recording. All right, here's what we did. I cut the old sensor off, taped it to the new one to the old wire. I'm going to fish it through there, all the way up through there, through here, and come out here, and we should be kicking with the chickens. Alright, we did it. It worked perfect. Taped on right there. All we got to do is take the tape off, put it back in the plug, and reroute the front, screw the sensor back in, and try it out. All I can say is this motorcycle lift is the bomb. It makes life so easy. Anyhow, we got it done. Let's try it out and see if Mr. Know-It-All knows what he's talking about. Well, guys and gals, I'm going to tell you, Mr. Know-It-All knows his shite. I have never had it start that quickly. I barely touched the button after trying to start it for who knows how long, and it fired right up. I mean, right now.
Oh my God!
So Mr. Know-It-All knows what he's talking about. I mean, like I said, I barely got the symptoms out, and he just said crank sensor. That's all he said to me. And it works like a charm. So all we got to do is put it back together, but I am going to be sending Mr. Know-It-All some cash because he just saved me a bunch of money. That guy knows his stuff. He's a really nice guy too. Sweet Scoots out.